Designed for the future, the new Dri-Eaz dehumidifier intelligent controller. When you power up the new controller, you notice its friendly icon-based LED interface, intuitive and easy for any tech to master. The new home screen gives you quick access to useful information and data. Inlet and outlet temps, humidistat set points, GPP, job hours, and countdown to condensate pump purge. The new controller provides valuable job details such as grain depression and any power off incidents during operation. You can quickly reset the job information at the start of the new project. It also displays service information like our hour to countdown recommended preventative maintenance, even charts for quick visual on drying progress. And firmware backup provides reassurance during easy firmware upgrades. This technology advancement allows for eventual seamless connection and integration with monitoring apps as well as popular restoration job management platforms. It's easier than ever to turn the humidistat on and off and change the set point. And once set, this info displays on your home screen. The new controller is a compatible replacement for most Dri-Eaz I-Series dehumidifiers and available today at your trusted Dri-Eaz distributor. Stay tuned for more as this new controller paves the way for your easier, well-integrated restoration future.